we're gonna work on our first ice pick stab defense. Now when your opponent has a knife, you wanna run first off if you can, okay? This is if you're trapped. Because all he has to do is tap me with this. Tap me anywhere in my core, you're gonna bleed out. I don't care if he hits a vital organ. If he gets in my core, if he gets in the core of my body, it's over. I could be like laying in the emergency room, somebody could stab me in the core and they're not gonna be able to save my life. That's how dangerous this is. Okay, especially with stab wounds because they go in and out. Bullets, there's a little bit of it clogs in there a little bit, but stab in and out, and then you're gonna bleed internally. So this is my favorite for the ice pick. He's doing an ice pick stab, okay? He comes in, I'm diverting it, all right? At the same time striking. Now I wanna strike with fingers to the eyes, okay? Now from here, I wanna get all of my power to this one arm, and I wanna make him stab his own leg, okay? Boom. From here, kick to the groin, and then run. Okay, so what's happened here is he stabbed his own leg. He's gonna be hurt, and then you can flee the scene. There's all sorts of, okay, when he comes out, okay, I'm gonna do the full thing. When he's here, and I come down, okay, and I don't care where this stabs, his groin, his leg, okay? I can try to disarm, but it's not needed. I divert it, I do not come straight down, okay? If he's coming with an ice pick any angle, this is dangerous. He's gonna get through. Not only that, he's gonna start to change his angle, okay? From up here, he can change here, there, okay? So right away I have to get it. So here we are, he's coming in, right to the eyes, down, groin, whatever, away, run. So important. If I'm just gonna sit here and try to play the Kung Fu game with him going to stab and I'm gonna block everything, impossible.
I only need to touch him once.
Yep, impossible. Here, divert first, okay? All the power is on here, okay? I don't even wanna try to play this game of trying to get the knife away. Okay, here, okay? Elbow, punch, strike, doesn't matter, and then you flee and get away from your opponent.